Let's check out this small detached single-family rental in Kennesaw, Cobb County. Take a view of the neighborhood. So this neighborhood is filled with relatively newer, smaller homes, about 800 to 1,000 square feet. Now this specific home is 2-bedroom, 2 full baths, has 1 car garage. Fully fenced backyard, looks relatively new and in good shape. Driveway looks nice, does have vinyl siding, nice landscaping, fully fenced yard as well. Nice looking concrete patio, does have city issued trash can and the recycling can. Newer HVAC unit, looks like this one is the heat pump. Take a look at the placard. So we're now in the unit. This is the living and the dining area. There's a vinyl laminated floor, relatively open floor plan. Here we have a gas fireplace, have a large door wall that leads to the concrete patio. Granite countertop, stainless steel appliances with dishwasher, everything looks really nice. Here's a 1-car garage, really looks clean. Has epoxy floor, door opener, drop-down ladder, updated circuit breaker. And here we have the laundry hookup. So it does provide the gas, electric, and statue vent for the dryer. Now keep moving. Here's the water tank. Water tank is a little bit older, 2006, so about 17 years old. Note here, a lot of water heater tank in the south has the expansion tank. Here's the bedroom 1. Bedroom 1 has the bay window. Again, neutral paint throughout. Cathedral ceiling with texture. Has a vinyl window, and the window looks really in good shape. Again, here it has the vinyl floor as well. Basic vanity, light, water efficient toilet and closet. This is the semi-frame shower. I really like this shower setup. You know, it leaves you the actual spout. So usually it must used to be a bathtub and the updated shower, and this is set up. They keep the plumbing in place. Even that water faucet knob is the original. But overall, nothing wrong with it. Really like the nice tile work. Keep moving. This is the shared bathroom. Again, I guess the bathroom used to be the same. Look at the bathtub faucet and the spout. Everything is identical. This is one-piece top unit. Works great for heavily used areas like a hotel or a rental property like this. More storage space. Bedroom number 2. This room is about 10 by 10. That's why they choose a light and neutral color, just to make the room feel bigger. Actually, the room is not big. If you put a queen size bed, it probably will fill up this room. So this concludes the virtual tour of this rental property in Kennesaw. Overall, I really like the house. Has good floor plan. The building is relatively newer, so everything is maintained well. Roofing is older. They still use the 3-tap shingles, but all the venting system, the pipes and the flue look like recently been painted. Overall, not bad at all.